Quantitative data analysis method, its characteristics and types. What is quantitative data analysis? Quantitative data analysis refers to the process of analyzing numerical data to uncover patterns, relationships, or trends. It focuses on measurable variables and often involves statistical or mathematical techniques to summarize and interpret data. This method is objective and used to test hypotheses, quantify relationships, and generalize findings to larger populations. Characteristics of quantitative data analysis. Numerical data focuses on data represented in numbers, such as percentages, frequencies, and averages. Objective results are based on measurable data, reducing personal bias. Structured process follows a predefined framework or methodology. Large sample sizes, often used to study large groups to ensure reliable conclusions. Statistical tools, involves the use of software and tools like SPSS, Excel, or Python for analysis. Quantitative data is numbers-based, countable, or measurable. Qualitative data is interpretation-based, descriptive, and relating to language. Quantitative data tells us how many, how much, or how often in calculations. Applications of quantitative data analysis. Healthcare, measuring the effectiveness of treatments or medications. Education, analyzing students' test scores to identify areas for improvement. Marketing, studying consumer behavior through sales or survey data. Finance, predicting stock market trends or investment risks. Social sciences, examining demographic data to understand societal trends. Advantages of quantitative data analysis. Objectivity, provides unbiased and reliable results. Scalability, suitable for large sample sizes and generalizing findings. Precision, delivers accurate and measurable insights. Statistical validation, allows testing of hypotheses with statistical significance. Types of quantitative data analysis methods. Number 1. Descriptive analysis. Purpose, summarizes and describes the main features of a dataset. Key techniques. Measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode. Measures of dispersion, range, variance, standard deviation. Frequency distribution tables. Visualization, histograms, pie charts, and bar graphs. Example, analyzing the average test scores of students in a class. Number 2. Inferential analysis. Purpose, makes predictions or inferences about a larger population based on a sample. Key techniques, hypothesis testing, t-tests, ANOVA, analysis of variance, confidence intervals, regression analysis, linear and logistic regression, correlation analysis. Example, estimating the average income of a city based on a survey of 1,000 residents. Number 3. Predictive analysis. Purpose, uses statistical models and machine learning algorithms to predict future outcomes. Key techniques, regression models, multiple regression, polynomial regression. Time series analysis, ARIMA, exponential smoothing. Decision trees and random forest. Example, forecasting sales for the next quarter based on past trends. Number 4. Diagnostic analysis. Purpose, identifies the causes behind specific trends or outcomes. Key techniques, root cause analysis. Multivariate analysis. Path analysis. Example, determining why a particular marketing campaign led to a spike in sales. Number 5. Prescriptive analysis. Purpose, provides recommendations for actions based on data insights. Key techniques, optimization models. Simulation techniques, for example, Monte Carlo simulations. Decision analysis. Example, recommending optimal inventory levels based on demand forecasts. Number 6. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Purpose, identifies patterns, relationships, and anomalies in the data. Key techniques, scatter plots and box plots, correlation matrices. Outlier detection methods. Example, exploring the relationship between hours studied and exam scores. Number 7. Causal analysis. Purpose, determines the cause and effect relationships between variables. Key techniques, controlled experiments. Structural equation modeling, SEM, mediation and moderation analysis. Example, assessing the impact of a new training program on employee productivity. Number 8. Classification and clustering. Purpose, groups data into categories or clusters based on similarities. Key techniques, K-means clustering, hierarchical clustering. Classification algorithms. Example, segmenting customers based on purchasing behavior. Thank you very much for watching the video. It is designed by onlineacademy.org.in.